Welcome to our journey through the intriguing chapters of Jeremiah, specifically chapters 25 through 28. Here, we uncover prophecies, warnings, and rebellious acts that are as captivating as they are insightful, especially for those new to the Bible. Each chapter layers the narrative, addressing themes of divine justice, judgment, hope, and defiance. Imagine standing in a bustling city filled with people, oblivious to an approaching storm. Jeremiah finds himself as a herald of impending doom. Chapter 25 sets the stage with a powerful message from God. This whole country will become a desolate wasteland, and these nations will serve the king of Babylon 70 years. Jeremiah 25:11. God speaks through Jeremiah, highlighting how the Israelites' persistent disobedience will lead to their exile. Moving into chapter 26, the tension heightens as Jeremiah faces fierce opposition in the temple. God tells him to stand firm and deliver his message of repentance. Reform your ways and your actions and obey the Lord your God. Jeremiah 26:13. However, despite the warnings, the people and priests choose hostility over heeding God's call. In chapter 27, Jeremiah shakes things up with a visual prophecy, donning a yoke, symbolizing the impending servitude under Babylonian rule. God commands Jeremiah to tell the nations, "Serve the king of Babylon and live." Jeremiah 27:12. It's a poignant reminder of humility and submission during turbulent times. Finally, in chapter 28, we witness a dramatic clash between Jeremiah and the false prophet Hananiah. Hananiah claims God will break Babylon's yoke in 2 years. Yet, Jeremiah responds with a reality check, emphasizing the prophet who prophesies peace will be recognized if the word of that prophet comes true. Jeremiah 28:9. These chapters are a rich tapestry of divine messages, warnings, and the complex interplay of truth and deception. They invite us to reflect on how we respond to truth, even if it challenges our expectations. Stay curious as we continue our dive into these ancient yet remarkably relevant texts.